Hello, Archibald Chesterfield III, AC3, coming to you live every day to help you survive these trying times. We're here for you on the ArchieLuxury channel. Hey guys, it's your pontiff, Archibald Chesterfield III. And today, guys, I'm just walking around my house here. I'm just making this quick vlogs here. I'm not feeling 100% today. I don't know why. I've just been a little bit. I had a very hard couple of weeks, and I'm just taking it a bit easy. I've got a bit of the anxiety's come on pretty strong, and I'm not quite sure how to best handle that. So I'm feeling incredibly tired, and I think it might just be an idea, just take it easy. My eyes, I just want to sleep. I had a little bit of a headache. I took some IV Purifin. And now I just want to, I don't know, I just feel like having a nap. I got to pick the kids up in an hour, so probably best not to have a nap because I'll fall asleep. So guys, I just want to tell you that I'm not feeling too well, not 100% today, not feeling well. I'm just feeling a little bit under the pump. I don't really have a runny nose, no runny nose. Fever, no fever. A little bit of a sore throat, but I was doing some sanding and I didn't have a mask on yesterday. And I got dust everywhere, so it's just a bit of dust, you know, and yeah, so I've been feeling a little bit under the pump. So guys, I want to tell you, I am working on your paid reviews. They're coming. They're coming, but I might just take a day or so off. So yeah, just excuse it. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I apologize for that there. I've just been a bit under the pump, and might be best if I just take it a little bit easy. So guys, just bear with me. Don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but yeah, just feeling a bit under the weather, so just bear with me, and I'll be back producing this content in no time. In no time. So yeah, just give us a bit of cut us a bit of slack, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one.
Hey guys, it's Archibald, the Chesterfield III. I want to talk to you about an embarrassing problem. So we're just in my boudoir, and I want to talk to you about a really serious, nasty, embarrassing problem. The carpet beetles. Let's have a look here, guys. So what I'm doing is, guys, I've got professionals out. And take a look at this. I've had to get the cupboards removed. Yes, I've had a carpet beetle expert out, and he says they're living in the cupboards. We've completely gutted the cupboards completely, and we're going to deal with this infestation. Let's take a look. So this is This is Archie's bedroom. I've got to hang my stuff up. We've completely gutted the. We're talking metaphorically because I'm a single man. The Yamamoto Family Trust. Anyhow, we've had to gut the cupboards and wardrobes to deal with this infestation. Have a look here, guys. They've eaten it bare. Look at this. This is in the cupboards. I had no idea how to deal with these carpet beetles. Look, they've eaten me bare. Look, guys, look. Completely eaten. Look at that. That is just bare. And it's really, I've tried fumigating, I've tried spraying, I've tried putting traps down. Nothing can get rid of these carpet beetles. Look at this. And they're real picky bastards. They don't eat the normal carpet. They eat the roots. What a pack of bastards. And all around the house they have eaten. And I just wanted to show you this mess here. So the funny thing is, on the other side, where I stored my shoes, they didn't seem to eat anything. So, stinky feet seems to be carpet beetle retardant. Stinky feet. But on the other side, they've eaten me bare. They've eaten me bare, guys. They've eaten me bare. Out of home and hose, those carpet beetles, man. They've eaten me bare. They've eaten me boards. They've done it all, guys. Guys, the carpet beetles, they've eaten me out of home and hose. This is the carpet beetles from hell. Hell have no fury like a carpet beetle scorned. Yes, they've been really nasty critters. I had enough of these beetles. I've had enough. So the cupboards are being gutted. I got professionals in. We've gutted the cupboards completely. And what I'm doing is new wardrobe. The carpet beetle guy said they will just keep coming back unless you gut the entire wardrobe. He said there's an infestation. There's a nest. There's eggs there. So I got to get rid of them. And then what I want to do is I'm putting synthetic carpet. Synthetic carpet. Yes. So there we go, guys. PayPal now, ArchieLuxury72@gmail.com. ArchieLuxury72@gmail.com. Help me fight these carpet beetles.
Hey guys, Archie unemployed. I'm just getting this is one of the wardrobes with the carpet beetle infestation. I've pulled up the carpets. I just need to get this thing sanded, and unfortunately it's got, you can have a look, it's got staples all over it, carpet staples all over this damn thing. So I've got to get all the carpet staples out. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. It's a bit of manual labor. So here we go, guys, working on the cupboard. It's a real bitch. I just had to remove about 50 nails, carpet nails, and it's just a bit tiring. My back's completely fucked now. Yeah, that's basically how it goes there. Bit of DIY, do it yourself, fuckers. Keep going. Hi guys, Archie Luxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW.
Keep going.
Hi guys, I'm ArchieLuxury. I'm the method actor who plays Paul Pluta, Satan DeVille. I play a number of characters on the ArchieLuxury and the ArchieLuxury Corporate and the Paul Pluta channel. Guys, I want to talk to you about weight loss. I don't know if you've noticed in the last couple of weeks there, but there's been a steady decline in my weight. And I got to tell you, the ArchieLuxury weight loss program, I've rebooted that thing there more than a bad server with Windows NT on it. Guys, I want to talk to you about weight loss, and I want to be completely honest and serious with you. I've got a new technology, and it's gonna help you lose the pounds. ArchieLuxury, this is the new secret information, Tapeworm 2000. That's correct, Tapeworm 2000. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, new sponsor on the channel, APPSTANTIATE. Help get the most of your engineering and DevOps with APPSTANTIATE. APPSTANTIATE provides on-demand DevOps infrastructure, test automation, and continuous integration as a service with a focus on mentoring and hiring assistants to help engineering teams scale. They are experts in Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, and the latest open source utilities to help your company save time and money. Cost reduction in your hosting bills alone will pay for itself. In addition, the team is 100% onshore, New York City-based senior engineers. APPSTANTIATE will help you get most productivity out of your current stack and/or employee headcount. Email hello@appstantiate.com. Please email now hello@appstantiate.com for more information. ArchieLuxury, proudly supporting fantastic businesses. And don't forget, guys, make sure you subscribe to the ArchieLuxury corporate live streaming channel to be updated on all the live shows I do. Live shows!